2023 Hyundai Elantra cabin filter replacement. Cabin filter is located in the glove box compartment, behind the glove box compartment on the passenger side. We're going to open it up, right, and we're going to cave in those two tabs on each side. You're going to push it in like this with your fingers, right? You get it past, you get to cave that part in. You gotta do the same thing on the other side. It'll be best if you use two hands. Okay. Alright, here it is. Come out. Here is the cover for the cabin filter. We're gonna squeeze in those two tabs here. And it'll come out. And here is your cabin filter. Oh, Jesus. Say 2023 and this vehicle, this cabin filter, I've seen better days. Here was the new one, and that's the old one. New one, old one. Jesus. And we're going to, okay, take things out. We make pay attention to the airflow. And let's just slide it in. I think it's the other way around. Okay. And we're going to put our cover back on. Good. That's all there is to it, guys. Now let's install our glove box. Okay, you hook the suiting all four of them to the body, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.